So for the longest time now, there's been a scratching noise in our old chimney, and I wonder what type of animal or creature or whatever it was in there, and so it kind of freaked me out a tiny bit. But I was also curious. I found that it was a bird. Check this out. This is crazy. Holy crap! Freaking bird is scaring the crap out of me. You can't really see it because it's like dark inside. But I'm not opening this up for anything. It's in the corner somewhere. Scared the crap out of me. The door opened slightly. The door opened slightly, and I was trying to make sure it was still in there. I don't want no bird like flying around in my house. Okay. Talk to you guys later.